We're not going to keep global warming below 1.5 degrees unless we dramatically cut emissions of another greenhouse gas, methane. That's the conclusion of the United Nations Environment Programme. In a new report, it says methane is 10 times more powerful than carbon dioxide at trapping heat in the atmosphere. Yet levels have more than doubled since pre-industrial times. So where's it all coming from? Well, the report says human activity accounts for around 380 million tonnes of methane being released every year. Agriculture, mainly livestock and rice cultivation, accounts for 40%. But fossil fuels and waste, including landfill, are also significant sources. The good news is that existing solutions could reduce methane emissions from human activity by 45% by 2030. That's 180 million tonnes a year. And around a third of the measures would actually end up saving money. That includes better management of coal mines and detection of gas leaks, keeping food and other organic waste out of landfill, and eating less meat and growing rice more sustainably. Because methane only lasts in the atmosphere for a decade, the impact would be swift, preventing around 0.3 degrees of global warming by the 2040s.
Every half a degree matters hugely, and even every tenth of a degree. And just one example is that 0.3 of a degree corresponds to more than 70 billion lost hours of labor. And that's people that, are working outside places that can't be air conditioned, people working in agriculture, in construction. So there are real costs to the economy. All of these tenths of a degrees, yes, sound very minor, but they're not at all.
Reducing carbon emissions to net zero is still essential for stabilising the climate in the long term. But the quickest bang for your buck is tackling methane.